The chewing machine, or the artificial mouth, was first developed in response to the introduction of tooth-like restorative materials. It can simulate accurately the chewing motion of the human jaw, and it can do that in a very high speed, about 300,000 cycles in a couple of days, and that's equivalent to 1 year's chewing. So it can speed up the testing of these new materials. We also use that to test implants, crowns, as well as braces in orthodontic purposes. It also provides the first screening before dental researchers commit to expensive and long clinical testing of these materials. Typically, the materials will be produced in specimens of some very simple form, typically a disc, and we will use our profiler to measure the surface profile of the specimen before we test them. Dr. DeLong has developed a software which will allow us to compare these profiles and calculate the volume loss of the material. So by testing the whole system in the chewing machine, the patients, as well as the dentists, can be rest assured that whatever materials, whatever restorative system that they are putting into the patient's mouth will survive the very challenging oral environment.